Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying a wonderful day. Before we begin today's video, I want to take a moment to say thank you to each and every one of you. Your likes, lovely comments, your shares and your subscriptions are helping my channel grow every single day. Your support truly means the world to me. I am so happy to such an amazing craft family. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, we share easy, beautiful, and budget friendly DIY craft ideas that anyone can make at home easily. Now, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's enjoy these beautiful Christmas tree craft ideas together. Christmas is one of the most magical time of the year. Let's start it the season of love, happiness, family, and beautiful decoration. One of the best part of Christmas decoration is decorating your own home with handmade craft that make every corner feel warm and welcoming. Today Christmas tree ideas are simple enough to beginner but beautiful enjoy enough to make your home look elegant and festive. Our first Christmas tree is handmade with natural jute rope. Wrap the rope neatly around the foam cone, bottle, something. Add glue as you go to keep everything in place. Once the cone is fully covered, decorate it with tiny pearls, miniature pine cones, ribbons, bows, or warm fairy lights. The natural texture of jute rope gives the tree a cozy rustic style that perfect for farmhouse Christmas decor style. The second Christmas tree has a sparkling and glamorous look. Paint the cone in the beautiful green color, and while the paint is still wet, sprinkle fine glitter all over the surface. Add tiny golden ornaments, silver beads, and finish it with a bright star at the top. When the light reflects on the glitter, the tree shines beautifully and creates a magical holiday feeling. Our third craft is wonderful recycled Christmas tree made from cardboard. Simply cut different size tree shape, paint them in classic Christmas colors, and decorate with buttons, ribbons, pearls, sequins, or paper flowers. This project is fun for both kids and adults and proves that beautiful decoration don't have to be expensive. The fourth idea is soft felt Christmas tree. Use green felt fabric, stitch the edges carefully, fill it with soft stuffing, and decorate it with tiny bells, glass, bows, pearls, and beautiful buttons. These handmade felt trees also make thoughtful gifts because they are made with love and creativity. Our five Christmas tree is made using wooden sticks. Arrange the sticks into a triangle shape, glue them together securely, and decorate them with artificial greenery, red berries, miniature ornaments, fairy lights, and beautiful bows. This simple design look elegant on a shelf, fireplace, or entry table. One of the best things about handmade decoration is that every project becomes unique. Even if two people make the same craft, each one has its own personal style and creativity. That's what makes DIY craft so special. They reflect your own imagination, bring enjoy everyone who sees them. Our sixth Christmas tree is made with colorful paper. Roll the paper into cone shape, glue each layer carefully, and decorate it with glitter, star, tiny pearls, and ribbon bows. This craft quickly, easy, and perfect for children and beginners. It's also a wonderful activity to enjoy with your family during the holiday season. The seventh idea is miniature Christmas tree in a flower pot. Fill a small pot with floral foam or sponge. Place the tree securely, then decorate it with moss, miniature gifts, pearl, berries, tiny ornaments, and shining star. The little decoration looks beautiful on a coffee table, office desk, bedroom shelf, or even a thoughtful handmade gift. Our 8th Christmas tree has a snowy winter theme. Cover the tree with artificial snow, add white flowers, silver ornaments, crystal beads, white lights. The finished design look peaceful, elegant, and remind us of a beautiful, wonderful wonderful land. The 9th Christmas tree is decorated with traditional Christmas colors. Use red ribbons, golden beads. Our final Christmas tree has elegant luxury lights. Decorate with golden leaves, pearls, beads, tin, sparkle ornaments, or LED lights. I hope these ideas inspire you to create something beautiful with your friends and family. Handmade decoration are not just about saving money, they are about making special memories with your people you love. Every craft tells a story, and every decoration adds a little more joy for your home. Now, I'd love to hear from you which Christmas tree was your favorite. Lovely friends, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Every like, every comment, every share, and every subscription means more than me you can imagine. I'm so happy to see your craft family growing every single day because of your love and encouragement. I read your every comment. Don't forget to tell me which craft was your favorite. May mention your name in my upcoming video, so leave your lovely comment below. Thank you for being part of my beautiful journey. Your support inspired me to create more amazing craft ideas for all of you. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.